Bonjour, je m'appelle Lakshmi. Welcome back to another video. Before starting my video, I have a request to all my subscribers. Please do resubscribe to my channel. Due to some personal reasons, I had to switch my channel to a new account. The channel name will be the same, Learn French with Lakshmi. So please do resubscribe for further videos. You will get my previous videos also in this channel now. Learn French with Lakshmi. Thank you. Let's get started. Let's adjectives. We are going to learn adjectives today. What are adjectives in English? Adjectives are describing words which qualifies a noun. Adjectives describes a noun. For example, a good boy. Here, boy is the noun and good is the adjective. A black pen. Here, black is the adjective. So, adjectives are words which qualifies the noun, and remember, colors and numbers are always adjectives. So, same as in French, but there is a difference, a slight difference that I have already told you. All the nouns in French are either masculine or feminine, whether it's living or non-living. And when we qualify this noun, this adjective must agree in gender and number with the noun it qualifies. For example, if you want to make an adjective into feminine form, we have to change the word. Let's see some examples of adjectives in French. Number one, petite. P-E-T-I-T. The meaning of petite is small. Petite, small. This is a masculine adjective. In French, adjective must agree in number and gender with the noun it qualifies. Number two, G-R-A-N-T, pronounced as God. That means big or tall. Number three, content. C-O-N-T-E-N-T. That means happy. Petite means small, gone, content. Then fourth one, jolly. Jolly. That means pretty. So let's make it into feminine. Just add E. P-E-T-I-T-E-E. G-R-A-N-D-E. C-O-N-T-E-N-T-E. J-O-L-I-E. Simply we have to add E to make a masculine adjective into feminine adjective. Next, masculine plural. P-E-T-I-T-S. Simply add S to the masculine adjective. G-R-A-N-D-S. C-O-N-T-E-N-T-S. J-O-L-I-S. And for feminine plurals, it will become P-E-T-I-T-E-S. G-R-A-N-D-E-S. C-O-N-T-E-N-T-E-S. J-O-L-I-E-S. These are the different forms of adjectives in French. These are usually we do like this only. Simply add E to make it feminine, add S to make it masculine plural, and add ES to make feminine plural. Petite, gone, conto, jolly. Understand? Clear? Next, let's see how to make it in a sentence. If we want to write a small boy, small boy, small boy, the word masculine for small, the adjective for small is petite. Petite, boy is garçon. G-A-R-C-O-N. Petite garçon. Small boy. Petite garçon. Small for small girl. You will write P-E-T-I-T-E. Petite fille. The word is fille. Petite fille, small girl, small boy. It is petit garçon. Now how will you write small boys? Petite. You have to add S again. Garçon. G-A-R-C-O-N-S. Here also we put S. Here also we put S to make this word make this sentence into plural. Petit garçon. We pronounce it as the same as we won't pronounce the last S until and unless it is followed by a vowel. So here it is petit garçon in pronunciation, but in spellings we have to add S to make this sentence into plural. Clear? And small girls will be P-E-T-I-T-E-S-F-I-L-L-E-S. Petite fille. This is petite filles. Here also we have to add es. Then only it will qualify this noun. These are some common adjectives in French. And there are exceptions. Let's see which are the exceptional adjectives in French. Exceptional adjectives. Number 1, M-I-N-C-E. This means mince. The meaning is slim. Slim, thin. Means the feminine also will be the same. M-I-N-C-E. And the plural will be M-I-N-C-E-S in both cases. Masculine plural and feminine plural both are same. M-I-N-C-E-S. Number 2, it is B-E-A-U. That means handsome. And the feminine plural will be B-E-L-L-E. And masculine will be B-A-U-X. Masculine plural. And feminine B-E-L-L-E-S. These all are exceptional adjectives in French. Number 3, bon. Bon means good. The feminine will become B-O-N-N-E. And masculine plural B-O-N-S. Feminine plural it will be B-O-N-N-E-S. That means good. This is handsome. Number 4, gentil. The meaning is same as in English. G-E-N-T-I-L-L-E. Here it is L-L-E and then G-E-N-T-I-L-S. Again G-E-N-T-I-L-L-E-S for the feminine plural. So these are the exceptional adjectives in French. This is masculine. This is feminine. This is masculine plural. Then it is feminine plural. Means beau, board. Some of the exceptional adjectives in French. There are many, but some are I am referring here. Means slim. It will remain the same in the feminine form. Beau means handsome. But that means if we have to describe a man, we will add beau, beautiful, handsome man. And if you have to describe a lady, we have to say belle. We have to use belle as the adjective for beautiful lady. And here bon means good. Boy, it is good, and then feminine it will be B-O-N-N-E. So in French, an adjective must agree in number and gender with the noun it qualifies. That's for today. Hope you got it. Thank you.